Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Ikemen Prince full guide. Tap the hero icon to begin a new campaign and choose a prince to unlock story branches, then follow on-screen prompts to advance chapters and collect free stamina. Focus on choices that boost intimacy and boost stats, and check event banners for limited-time routes. Save often before key choices, and use tickets strategically to unlock bonus scenes and support multiple playthroughs. In this video, I will explain how to play Ikemen Prince full guide. Pay attention to stamina and event timers, and schedule play sessions to claim daily rewards and login bonuses. Prioritize story chapters that increase intimacy and unlock choices that improve your stats. Save premium currency for guaranteed banners if you want specific princes, and use free tickets during special events to try for rare items without overspending. In this video, I will explain how to play Ikemen Prince full guide. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated during marathon reading sessions and matches the elegant vibe of the game. It's compact and seals well for travel. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals to support the channel. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to play Ikemen Prince full guide. Revisit chapters to explore alternate choices and hidden routes, and build card decks around complementary skills for higher battle or event scores. Track event schedules and prioritize missions that grant exclusive outfits and route bonuses, and trade resources between princes carefully to avoid regrets. Use social features or friend codes when available to gain small but useful daily advantages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.